Over. 1 minute. Deficiency diseases. Who is ready? Raise your hand. Those are present here. Who is ready to say the definition of deficiency diseases? Tell me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who all knows it? Let me see. Only Aldos I can see. No others? No other students? Did you copy the notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you copied it. Okay, Atul, okay. Everybody copied it. So let me ask you, Steve. Steve, please tell me what are deficiency diseases?
Deficiency and
That's okay.
See, I am asking only to Steve. All others mute it. Yes, Rita, I can see your hand. Okay.
deficiency
Okay. Deficiency diseases are those diseases
that occur lack of nutrients over a long period.
occur due to lack of nutrients. Occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period. That is called deficiency diseases. Okay, so we learned so many deficiency diseases names, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
but only 14 students are present. 1 minute. Yes. So everybody take page number 17. Everybody take page number 17. Page number 17. Okay. In that,
Okay, ma'am.
now I am going to share the screen. Everybody should write it. I am sharing the board so that you can write it easily. Okay. In between, I will ask questions. Those students only to answer it. All others mute it and keep. Adi, Ishwar, please sit properly. Okay, I think you can see the board, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first one, Herinan, please
Yes,
read
ma'am.
the fifth question. 1 minute. So fifth question. I am starting from back bottom onwards. Okay. Because
ma'am.
we had discussed the deficiency diseases. So we can answer the question. Page number 17. Okay. Page number 17A. Read the question, Herin.
Dash is caused by deficiency disease of vitamin D.
Deficiency of vitamin D. That is
We are
caused by...
taking the fill in the blanks.
Yes, filling the blanks. Okay, last one. So, dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Herin, can you tell me the answer? Herin,
Ma'am, scurvy.
vitamin D. See, vitamin D. Aldous, please.
Ma'am, rickets.
Rickets. The answer is rickets. So I am writing here. Okay, R-I-C-K-E-T-S. Yes. B. Next one. Fidel, please read the B.
Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi.
Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin?
Ma'am.
Fidel, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Vitamin B1.
Vitamin D1. Okay, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Next one. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. Herin, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as
Scurvy.
scurvy. Yes, scurvy. Fidel and Herin, mute your audio. Fidel also.
Okay, ma'am.
Scurvy. Okay. Next one, D is there, right? Let me see who can read it. I will ask them. Atul Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you stop the audio, video? Okay. Okay, read the D. Question D.
Night
First,
blindness is
read the
caused
question D first.
night blindness is a cause due to
Ah,
deficiency of dash in our food.
night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. Do you know the answer, Atul?
Vitamin A,
Ah, vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A. That is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A. The softest one over. Okay, these are the questions based on deficiency diseases. These are the questions based on deficiency diseases. Rida, where is your textbook, Rida? Where is your textbook? Show me. Unmute it and you don't have the textbook. Okay. So today I will send the picture of this text back exercise. You should write down. Okay. I will ask questions from this also for the exam. So write it down
And
today.
we can
itself.
get also from Google.
Yeah, that is there. Sandra, do you have the textbook, Sandra? Sandra, unmute it, Sandra. Do you have the textbook?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please read first question. What is the first question? First question. First question. Sandra. No. Adeshwar, please read it. First question from the textbook. Unmute it. Okay, good. Read it from the first. Yes.
Name the major nutrition in our body.
See, read
Name
it properly. Name the
Ma'am?
major nutrients in our
Major nutrients in our
name the
body.
major
in our
nutrition
food. In our food.
our body.
Not body,
In our
food.
food.
Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. So, who can answer this question? Tell the name.
Ma'am,
Tell
Zeba.
Ma'am,
Zeba.
1 minute.
Zeba.
Please wait. Please wait, Zeba. Let me ask to Clara. Clara, tell me major nutrients in our food. Unmute it, Clara. Fast. Clara, unmute it. No. See, okay, she is not responding. Next one, I will call.
ma'am, can I?
Okay, Balashankar. Balashankar.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes. Yes, tell me the first question's answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know that answer?
ma'am,
Okay, Steve,
can I?
tell me.
Ma'am,
Steve,
can
tell
I?
me. Steve. Steve, tell me. First.
Carbohydrates, fat.
Okay. Okay, I am writing it here. Okay, carbohydrates. Okay, tell me carbohydrates, then fats, then
Proteins,
okay, protein.
minerals,
Okay,
vitamin,
vitamins, protein, minerals, then minerals, then
vitamins.
vitamins. Okay, vitamins. So write down. So Balshankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you in the first time in this class?
No, ma'am.
Then why you are saying you don't have textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then what are the major nutrients? Did you attend this chapter classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then why you are saying like this? Did you copy the notes?
Yes.
Yes. Then tell me major nutrients in our food. Which are the major nutrients in our food?
Carbohydrates,
Okay.
fats,
Okay.
minerals,
Hmm.
proteins,
Hmm.
vitamins.
Okay. Okay. These are the. Did you hear these words before that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then why you are saying that one? Huh? You should learn it, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Say second one. Zeba, Zeba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I want you to read question and you have to tell me the answer of the second question. Please
Okay, ma'am.
wait. Please wait.
Okay,
Let
ma'am.
me see whether all are ready to do it or not. Did you complete this all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, can I repeat?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, second one, A. Second one, A. Zeba, read the question, please.
The nutrients that are needed for the growth and
Sorry,
maintain.
A, not B. A. Second question, A. Zeba, read it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Name
second.
2 foods rich in.
See,
Ma'am.
text. Are you reading the textbook question?
Yes.
So, which one? Second question, name the following. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. The
Name.
nutrients which mainly give energy to our body.
Okay, which are the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body? Tell me.
Carbohydrate, vitamin, protein,
No,
minerals.
energy. That all are nutrients.
Okay,
Which
ma'am.
nutrient gives us energy?
Okay. Carbohydrate, fat.
Okay, carbohydrates and fats. So write down carbohydrates and fats. Roles, are you writing? Roles? Yes. The second question, first one, okay? Zeba, please read the second B, question B.
The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body.
Maintenance of our body, which is the nutrient which is
Protein.
for the growth and
Protein.
maintenance of our body. Protein.
Protein.
Okay, that is protein. Okay, next one. Next one, please. Next question, C. Zeba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it, C.
A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight.
Vitamin, not vitamin.
Okay,
Vitamin.
ma'am.
Read it again.
A vitamin required for
Vitamin. Vitamin.
a vitamin required for a maintaining good eyesight.
Okay, can you tell me which is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
vitamin?
Vitamin A.
Vitamin A. Okay, that is vitamin
Vitamin
A.
A.
Vitamin A. D. Read the D also.
A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy.
Mineral. Name the mineral which is required for keeping our bones healthy. What is that
Calcium.
one?
Calcium.
Yes, calcium.
Calcium.
That is calcium. See, Akash Unnikrishnan and Ihan, please switch on your video. I want to see. Are you of this class?
She's not in our class.
Are they in this class?
Ihan is in our class.
Okay, and what about Akash Unnikrishnan?
No, ma'am.
No, Akash, please leave from this class. Okay, so third one we can write. See, name 2 foods is rich in. I will call. See, let me see who is there to call. Okay, let me
Ma'am,
see.
can I?
Okay, Fidel Babu, please read question. Third question. Name 2
Third question.
foods is rich in fat.
Fats.
Yeah, fat. Can you give me the answer? From which all food items we can get fat? Okay, Steve, tell me. Steve, tell me.
Ma'am, milk, butter,
Butter. Okay. Butter, ghee, these all
ghee,
things.
cream,
Right?
egg, meat, sunflower
Oil.
oil, mustard oil.
Okay. So 2 only they needed. So oil and ghee. Easy one, right? Oil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, easy one you can write it. Okay. Next one, Rida, You don't have the textbook. So how you will? Are you writing down in a paper these all things? Are you writing down these all things in the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Next one. Heren, please read the. Do you know the answer of second one? From which all we will get starch? Which all
Ma'am.
food items we will get starch? Yes, Heren. No.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Fast. Fast.
ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So who knows
Sorry.
it? Who knows this? Let me see.
Ma'am,
Aldous, please give me the answer. Which all food items contain starch?
No,
Al- Sorry? Starch means it contains rice and potatoes. Okay. Rice and potatoes contain starch.
ma'am, starch is new.
No, starch is no. No,
It is new.
It is not the new. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay. Let me correct this here. Okay. Starch is nothing new. Are you using comfort this all for making your clothes
Yes, ma'am.
straight? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
it is we are using starch. Understood? In the same way, rice water also. Rice water after cooking the rice. That rice water also used to make these clothes very stiff. Okay. Why it is so? Because in the rice and in potatoes, starch is there. Okay. Starch is present in rice and potatoes. So that maybe in your home, your parents are using rice water for starching the clothes. Nowadays, that rice water is replaced by Stiff and Shine. So many other items are there. Branded items are there for starch. Okay. So starch is a component in our food. So rice and potatoes are rich in starch. Rice and potato. So shall I write it here? Rice
Yes, ma'am.
and potato.
yes, ma'am.
Then C. Third one C. Dietary fiber. Which food item is rich in dietary fibers? Roughage.
Ma'am,
Dietary fiber it is roughage. Another
Ma'am,
name.
whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fresh
So,
fruits.
corn and cabbage, it is easy. These all are correct. So easy one you can write. The answer is corn and cabbage. Okay.
Spinach.
Okay, spinach also you can write it there. Okay. Next one.
Protein.
Okay. Okay. So
Protein.
corn,
Ma'am,
cabbage.
proteins.
Okay, protein. Next one answer protein. Okay, what is the answer of food items which
Ma'am,
contain protein?
peas, beans, soya beans.
Beans.
Egg. Egg is rich in protein.
Protein. Ma'am,
Pulses
in
and eggs.
textbook there are two types: the plant products
Ma'am,
and animal products also.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so we can use both. Egg is an animal product. We can write another plant product. Pulses.
Milk products.
Pulses. Okay, pulses are rich in proteins. So egg and pulses. Anything you can write it there. So did you complete this all things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some more is there. True or false? After this, it will finish. Okay, true or false? Are you ready to do true or false?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nihan, take the textbook. Nihan, takes the textbook. Okay. Okay, read it. Fourth question. Sit properly. Sit properly in the class. Take the textbook. No. Where is Ihan? No. Clara? Okay,
Yes,
Ihan,
ma'am.
please wait. Please wait, Ihan. Clara, read the fourth question.
Take the statements that are correct. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body.
By eating rice alone. If we are eating only the rice all time,
No, ma'am.
can we
It is
fulfill-
false.
can we
False.
fulfill
No,
nutritional
ma'am, we can't. It
requirement?
is
False.
No.
No, it
So
can't.
fourth one A
False.
is false.
False.
Fourth one A is false.
False.
Should I write it there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Balashankar, please read the B. Please read B. First,
Ma'am, in the
Diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet.
once again you read. It's not clear.
Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet.
Okay. Is it true or wrong?
Ma'am, it is
True,
true.
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 It is true.
Ma'am,
Okay.
because the
Yeah,
all
yes.
nutrients and vitamins are there in a balanced
Okay,
diet.
okay. A is wrong, false. Second one is true. Third one, Adishwar, please read Adi. Are you ready to read? Adi.
I will read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adi. Read the C. Fourth one, C. Fast.
Pick the statement that are correct.
That is over. 1 and 2 over. For fourth one, A and B over. C. Read C. Balanced diet.
Can I read?
Okay, Ihan. Ihan is ready. Adi, please wait. Ihan, read it.
Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items.
Balanced diet for the body should contain
body-
a variety of food items.
body of food items.
Okay, Adi, sir. Please wait. I will give you next question. Okay, please wait. Ihan, is that one true or false? Is that one true or false? See, balanced diet for the true. Balanced diet for the body
True.
should contain a variety of food items.
I'm
Okay,
true.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
should contain
ma'am.
fruits, vegetables, pulses. These all things that should be. So C is true. Adi, please read. Read fast, Adi. D. Adi, whenever I call. Yes, D. Okay, read it. D.
Meat alone is sufficient.
Sufficient. Enough. Sufficient.
to provide all nutrients to the body.
Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. Is it true?
False. False, ma'am.
Yeah, false.
It is
That
false.
is false. Because
Ma'am, it is false, ma'am.
yeah, if we are eating only the meat, we will eat only the fats and protein.
Yes, ma'am. We don't get other
Nutrients. Okay, vitamins, minerals. So, I hope everybody completed. Those were present. Let me see how many. 12 students are only present. 12 students are only present today. Okay, I informed it to Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am is here. Okay, 6C. 12 students. In between, some of them left, I think, maybe due to network issues. But anyhow, I will inform it in the
maybe, ma'am, maybe they can see the recorded class.
maybe, but they should tell us, right? Then only
Yes.
we can understand what is their problem. Or how can we see, how can we make sure that they are seeing the recorded version?
Yes, ma'am.
That is also. So, dear students, those are present today. Complete. I hope it is completed.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
send it through the WhatsApp also. Complete the second chapter notes, textbook exercises. These two chapters are there for the periodic test. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So today I am now winding up my session. Read the textbook thoroughly. I will take question from the textbook also.
Okay, ma'am.
Read
Okay,
the
ma'am.
text
Okay,
thoroughly.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
you.
Thank